this actually works and it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
What's going on, my birds, my fish, and my other feathered friends? Do you enjoy the game Color Block Jam? Well, Color Block Jam can be made more fun, and you're probably asking how. Well, we can install a modded version of Color Block Jam onto our phone. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn this on right now, and let's see if it goes up. So currently I've got 1,785, which is just not enough for my tastes. I desire more. So let's see if it goes up, guys, and hopefully we're going to get rich. So let's see what happens, and hopefully we see an increase, and then we're going to be rich on Color Block Jam. Look at that, guys, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you exactly to download Color Block Jam hack. So first things first, guys, we need to go on the website tweakmod.com, and then we just need to type Color Block Jam. So then we're going to press install, and finally we got to verify our device. So to do that, we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long, honestly. It's usually pretty fast. But yeah, if you guys are getting down in Color Block Jam, you're going to be depressed because like it's hard to make coins and stuff. But with this modded version, you can get them for free. So it's really cool. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see, guys. So let's just give it a second, shall we, my fine feathered friends. So as you can see, guys, it's loading up and it says missing files. So I just need to download like 2 of these apps. You can see like Scanner, you got to search something up. Family Island, you got to reach level 11. Underdog, down for 30 seconds. So just do a couple of them, guys, and then you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how I get Color Block Jam hack for your device. Super cool, unlimited coins. And yeah, there are some other things in here too, so that could be beneficial to you. But yeah, try it out, guys.